Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Trailhawk 4-wheel drive, stock number E2573P. 12,000 miles on this Compass, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, white in color. To be certified pre-owned, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back, folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats and heated steering wheel, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.